Apple's annual Worldwide Developer Conference kicks off today. The company is widely expected to show off new software for its most popular devices, but excitement is also building that Apple could reveal or at least hint at a new product rumored to be a mixed reality headset. For more on what we can expect this week, I want to bring in Pierre Ferruga. He's the head of global technology infrastructure research at New Street Research. Good morning to you. Are we going to see, is this going to be the moment where mixed reality comes to Apple?
Thanks for having me. Not really. You know, the software development conference is really like a software-centric event. The Apple headset, the augmented reality headset, is a product that probably will be available at some point next year. So the way you should think about this event, about the conference this week, is potentially a place where Apple is going to reveal to its developer community tools that Apple wants to have in the hands of developers well ahead of the product launch. So we've seen Apple tweeting already a lot of augmented reality products and toolboxes in the last couple of years. We could see more of that, and what we could see is element in the new operating system of the iPhone that would help the iPhone connect with the headset, or actually more direct announcements around the Reality OS, the operating system that would power the headset.
So from your perspective, in terms of the investor class that's watching this, is there a game changer in here that would change your calculus about how you would determine the fair value of this company?
Yes, in some ways, like some significant software hints into the headset will basically bring analysts to start really thinking about modeling headset revenues for next year. And of course, if you do that, and especially given where the stock is today, it's a very significant milestone for Apple. And the reason for that is the following. If you look at Apple over the last 5 years, the company has grown earnings more than 20% a year. And the key question, especially at valuation today, is can Apple continue to deliver good double-digit earnings growth over the next 5 years? And of course, if you look at it this way, new products getting into the mix are very important. So the more we learn, the more incremental we learn about the headset this week, the more likely a 2023 launch is, and the more likely this headset can have a positive influence on earnings growth over the next 5 years.